Solar panels. Solar panels are among the most prominent sustainable technologies in our modern era. These panels convert sunlight into clean and sustainable electrical energy, playing a crucial role in meeting our growing energy needs while protecting the environment. In this article, we will explore how solar panels work, their benefits, and their diverse applications. How solar panels work. The structure and basic components of solar panels. The process of converting sunlight into electrical energy through the phenomenon of solar energy. Benefits of solar panels. Providing clean and sustainable energy. Reducing harmful gas emissions and addressing climate change. Offering economic benefits and long-term sustainability. Challenges and the future. Technical and economic challenges in solar panel development and utilization. Future innovations in solar panel technology to enhance efficiency. The role of solar panels in achieving environmental sustainability and renewable energy goals. Solar panels present a promising and sustainable solution to meet our growing energy needs. With advancing technology and competitive costs of solar energy, we are witnessing an increased adoption of solar panels worldwide. It is essential to support research and innovation in this field to develop more efficient techniques and achieve a future of clean and renewable energy.